Hello children, how are you all? Today we will learn about sources of water. Lesson 27 of our GK on Conversation book. So, what is sources of water? Sources of water मतलब हमको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? तो आपको पता है ना, वाटर इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. अगर हमको पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो हम डिहाइड्रेट होके बीमार पड़ सकते हैं, है ना. सो वी नो व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर इन आवर लाइव्स, and water is also used for many other things in our day-to-day life, like washing, cleaning, having bath, and water is used for cooking and many other things. So since we are learning today about sources of water, we will see in our conversation and GK book what pictures are given. Okay, the first picture is shown of rain. Okay, मतलब बारिश से भी हमको पानी मिलता है ना. देखो यहाँ पर, see, when the rain falls the water is collected, correct? So when it rains we get water. So rain is also a source of water. So the first one is rain. Go to the second picture. We have a sea. देखो, sea से भी हमको क्या मिलता है? पानी. Okay? समुद्र बोलते हैं ना. देखो, sea. And sea has what type of water? It has salty water. What type of water? Salty water. And that is also used. Okay. And the third picture is of the river. ये देखो, नदी. हिंदी में नदी बोलते हैं ना. This is a sweet water. Okay. This is used for drinking mostly. And people use it also for many other purposes. Okay, so the third one is river, nadi. Fourth one is lake, talab. Okay, where there is a little quantity of water. Okay, from here also we get water. Then we have here wells. पहले ज़माने में घर पर क्या नल नहीं होते थे ना. There were no taps at home. So what people used to do, they used to go to this well and they used to draw water from the well and then put in their pot water and take it home and use it. Now we have tap, so we just put on the tap and we use the tap directly. We don't have to go out and bring water. So we must know that we must not waste water. With so much difficulty, in some place there are still no taps, so people have to use the well to draw water so that they can use water for their houses. So it is important that we must not waste water because some people they don't get it. Okay, the next picture is dams. Okay, dam is a place where the rainwater is stored and kept. Okay, so that we can use the water after rainy season also. So these are called dams. Okay, so now we saw how many sources are there. First is rain, second is sea, third is river, fourth is lake, fifth is well, and sixth is dam. So we got 6 sources of water. So now we know from where we get water. Now we will go to the question answers. Okay.